Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to add the vidIQ extension to your YouTube account. If you want to sign up for vidIQ for free, use the link provided in the description of this video. Let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open your browser. For this tutorial, we will use Google Chrome because vidIQ works seamlessly with it. If you do not already have Chrome installed on your computer, go to the Chrome website, download it, and follow the instructions to install it. Once Chrome is ready, open it and go to the Chrome Web Store. To do this, type Chrome Web Store into the search bar and press Enter. Click on the first result to open the Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, look for the search bar located on the left side of the page. Type vidIQ into the search bar and press Enter. The search results will display a list of extensions. Look for the one called vidIQ Vision for YouTube. You will recognize it by the vidIQ logo. Click on the extension to open its page. Once you're on the vidIQ extension page, locate the button that says Add to Chrome. Click on it and a confirmation window will pop up. In this window, click on Add Extension to confirm the installation. The extension will start downloading and will automatically install in your browser. After installation, you will see the vidIQ logo appear in the top right corner of your Chrome browser, next to the address bar. Click on the vidIQ icon in your browser toolbar. A window will appear asking you to log in or sign up. If you already have a vidIQ account, enter your login details. If not, click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. You can use your email address and create a password or sign up directly using your Google account. After completing the sign-up process, the extension will be activated and linked to your account. Now, open YouTube into the address bar of your browser. Make sure you are signed in to the YouTube account you want to connect with vidIQ. If you are not signed in, click on the Sign In button in the top right corner of the YouTube homepage and enter your Google account credentials. Once you are signed in, click on the vidIQ icon in your browser again. This will connect your YouTube channel to the vidIQ extension. After this step, you will start seeing additional features and analytics directly on your YouTube dashboard. These features include video scores, keyword suggestions, and various optimization tools. To access more tools, go to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting YouTube Studio from the menu. In YouTube Studio, vidIQ will enhance the experience by providing extra insights and tips on your videos, helping you improve your channel's performance. That's it! You have successfully added and set up the vidIQ extension for your YouTube account. If you want to sign up for vidIQ for free, use the link provided in the description of this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.